This is an updated video of a video that I produced a few years ago on how to properly clean your boat interior. Gotta hand it to you, you took me to task because I used a magic eraser to clean the vinyl boat seats, and I do agree to everybody that commented that yes, it is harmful to the vinyl. Someone actually commented on that video and said that they actually use a product called Totally Awesome and they get it at the dollar store. I found some at Dollar Tree in Canada and it's amazing. Check out these results. Totally Awesome is easy to use. Spray it on. You can let it sit for a couple minutes. Then I wiped it off with a microfiber cloth. And then to finish, I just followed it up with a different clean, damp microfiber cloth. And the results are fantastic. I mean, totally awesome.
It smells like something, and I can't put it. But it's totally awesome.
I don't know if you see how white that's making it. Incredible. Just a wipe. But I will say this, I certainly don't have to clean it as much since doing that CLR mold and mildew treatment in my last video, but I think this stuff works just as good. But again, no magic eraser this time because you guys raked me over the coals for the last video using magic eraser, but you know, my interior was kind of shit to begin with, but you can see my seams aren't any worse for wear. There was already rips and nicks and stuff, and I used it that video and I haven't used it since. You know, haven't had to. Totally awesome all-purpose concentrated cleaner. Puts cleaning powder into plain old water. So you can water it down. You should dilute it actually. I diluted a little bit in here. Stains, walls, woodwork, window frames, floors, carpets, upholsteries, ovens, chrome, porcelain, fiberglass, tile, linoleum, clothes stains, stainless steel to clean, walls, machinery, typewriters, adding machines, presses, floors, equipment, cement, furniture, glass, degreasing, door frames, paint on hands, overspray. And for auto, RV, and boat, you got white walls, cloth, velour, vinyl, chrome, motors, headliner, door panels, convertible tops, rust, road tar, oxidization, carpeting, and brake dust. For use in carpet cleaning machines, do not use concentrate on glass, do not use on leather. Isn't that crazy, the stuff that it covers? Alright, let's see if this works on glass. There's stainless steel. Carpet here. Don't know what it is. Let's try this. Totally awesome on the carpet. Rust. This is full concentrated. So we'll wipe that one down. That is gone. See, the rust is starting to disappear. Incredible. Look at the mold on this. I don't think I've ever cleaned my fire extinguisher. Is like new. This stuff is instantly making things better. Extinguisher looks like new, but look at the carpet around it. Let's fix that. This is probably mold of some sort. Mold, rust, you name it, it does it. Just one more surface clean. And that is good enough for the girls I go out with. Right, ladies?